Scientific dating Daniel's time-based predictions reveals a true prophecy. Daniel 9:25 reads, "From the issuing of a decree to restore and rebuild Jerusalem until the Messiah the Prince." The scientific date, Sunday, March 16, 445 BC. Set A and Set B datasets point to only one correct date at a high confidence level. Daniel 9:26 reads, "Will destroy the city," meaning Jerusalem, "and the sanctuary," meaning Herod's temple, 10 days after a new moon on July 26, AD 70, on a Sunday, August 5th, AD 70. Only one correct date. Julian day numbers. How many days passed? 187,880 days between two scientific dates. Follow the directions in the time-based predictive text. Daniel 9:25 reads, "From the issuing of a decree to restore and rebuild Jerusalem until the Messiah the Prince, there will be 7 weeks and 62 weeks. Calculate the number of days from the decree. Add 173,880 days to the decree date. Using software, Julian Day and Civil Date Calculator, we arrive at Sunday, April 6, AD 32. On Palm Sunday, crowds proclaim Jesus is the Messiah. Hebrew calendar date, Nisan 10. The day you select a lamb to be killed on the Passover. During that week, Jesus dies as a sacrificial offering. Then, Jesus rises from the dead, victorious over hell and death. Then the predictive texts foretell of the destruction of Herod's temple. Why do the time-based predictive texts contrast two unique sacrifices, separated by exactly 14,000 days?